Hi, I'm Justin Barber, professional paint contractor. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the gray and bring back the natural wood look of this deck using Benjamin Moore's Restore Wood Restorer. Before you begin, make sure you have a dust mask, gloves, and goggles ready. You don't want to get Restore on your skin. You'll also need a stiff bristled scrub brush, a bucket, a garden hose, a pump sprayer, and plastic if you need to mask off the bottom of your house like I did here. Restore is concentrated, so follow the instructions on the label and mix appropriately. In this case, I'm going to mix a strong batch since this deck's pretty gray. But don't mix it too strong or you might get uneven brightening in spots. It's easy to avoid uneven brightening by first wetting down your deck. This will help spread Restore evenly over the surface. Also, protect nearby grass or vegetation by hosing it down with water. You can apply Restore with a pump sprayer, roller, or a brush. I'm using a pump sprayer here to cover more area quickly, and it'll make my job a lot easier, especially along the deck rail. Let Restore stand for several minutes. You'll be able to see the wood transform almost right away. As it works, Restore tends to darken weathered wood. But don't worry about that, because Brightener removes the black spots and brings back the natural wood look. Once you've let Restore work for a few minutes, scrub the wood with a stiff bristled brush, following the grain of each piece. Don't damage the wood by scrubbing in different directions. Start with the floor first, removing the gray wood layer before moving on to the rail. Use the pole brush for big areas, then go to a handheld scrub brush for tight spots. Once you've removed all the gray, rinse off Restore with a garden hose. You can also use a pressure washer to speed things up. Next, clean out your pump sprayer. Make sure you run water through the line by giving it a few quick sprays of water. The final step before staining is to wash the wood with a rinse of Brighten. This neutralizes Restore, removes black marks, and brings back the natural look of the wood. Brighten's also good for removing mill glaze from new wood. Stubborn areas might require a few extra hits with the brush. Now just let it dry for a few days, give it a light sanding, and you're ready to stain. I'm Justin Barber. Thanks for joining me for this look at Benjamin Moore's Restore and Brighten.